this is Jeremy. I am outside of my house. It's been 2 years since I've filmed a video on my 2013 Heil central air conditioner. Oh, it just now shut off. My unit just shut off. When I was about to start filming the video, it just clicked off. And now I just got the glimpse of it shutting off. But this is a Heil 3-ton central air conditioner. It's very quiet. It's not loud. But when you get further away from the unit, you don't even recognize it. And this is my niece, Reese McGuire.
Make sure to subscribe to his channel. He has a very good channel.
And don't unsubscribe to my channel. So, this is the southeast side of my house. And that over there is my man cave over there in that barn. So this, like I said, is a 3-ton Heil ICP air conditioning system. I'll show you the data sheet. It's right here. And you can tell it's a 3-ton. Suction lines are right there. Disconnect box right there. This air conditioner has had a run capacitor replaced on it. It had a coolant coil replaced in the furnace this past year before fall or winter time. So I've not had no problems with this unit ever since I had to get the evaporator coil inside of the furnace replaced. I highly recommend the Heil central air conditioner. Thank you for watching this video. I do apologize that the air conditioner is not running. I will film the air conditioner later on in the summer. Right now it's still February, and spring don't arrive until March 12th, and I will be uploading this video to YouTube. And subscribe to my channel, and stay subscribed. Then hit the notifications, and you will receive this video. And post a comment down below. And another last words from my niece, Reese McGuire.
Go make sure and tell your friends and family all about his channel and subscribe. Well,
that that does it for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Bye.